Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel for an all new video. And before we get started, I just want to quickly say, if you are new to the channel and this is the first video you're watching, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single week on my NC Miata and on my Mk7 GTI. We do track days, part installs, vlogs, pretty much anything just within the car lifestyle, whatever you want to call it. So if you are new, go down below and hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we are continuing our work on the Mk7 GTI. In the last video, we did a new intake. We also did a lower engine cover. And today, we are doing something that not a lot of people need, but it's something that I've always wanted to try out. You know, we've always heard about catch cans and things like that. What do they do? How do they help? I've never had a turbo car before, and I think it's finally time to throw in on the GTI. This is a used kit, so it would come with packaging and everything like that, but this is the ECS Tuning catch can kit. It comes with I think it's 8 ounce or 10 ounce catch can that attaches into a bracket, and it also comes with all of the AN lines with heat shielding to throw in your engine, and it should be pretty simple. I've already done a little bit of work on this in the past because I did the ECS Tuning braided AN line for the PCV. So underneath here, we've already got the ECS Tuning PCV adapter. So we should be able to just plug our AN lines straight in here, straight into the turbo inlet pipe, mount everything, and it should be installed. It should be easy. I think I'm gonna have to take apart a couple things here, but yeah, let's just jump into it then. Okay, so we've got our AN lines all the way in. They go to the catch can, which is really nice. It's got a little dipstick as well, so you can check your levels of sludge and oil and water and whatever ends up in the catch can. And really nice construction, really pretty easy to install. Like I said, I already had this in, so all I had to do was take off this part of the AN line here and just put in the new one. So didn't have to mess with any of this. Into our turbo inlet pipe, and everything is squared away. So let's take some beauty shots and wrap this install up. So that is it. Yeah, I just ran the car. Everything sounds good. No leaks or anything like that. One thing I probably need to replace eventually is my turbo inlet pipe. It's a really cheap one if you go way back. I got a video on it, but I need the port to be facing outwards a little bit more, I guess inwards. As you can see, I had to make a little dent in the top of the firewall area just to fit the last piece. Not a huge deal. I put the heat shield tape on there and everything, so it's good, but I could get it to fit a little bit better if I went that route. But otherwise, that's it. So catch can installed on the Mk7 GTI. It's really coming along to where I want it to be as far as like all the modifications go. Really just need a set of wheels and tires, and then I think like the car's pretty much done mechanically. So stay tuned for that. There will be a video on it, I'm sure eventually, but just not ready to make a purchase like that yet. So as I said at the beginning, if you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.